Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 95. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here and a 5 here, so this is our 3. That 4 makes this our 5, 4. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 4 here, so this is our 9. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this row, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 7, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 7 here, so 1, 6. No help here, 1, 6, 7, and no help here, 1, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. No help here, 1, 7, 9. No help here, 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 1, 3, 1, 3. And that means that our 8 for that column has to be here. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 5, 6, and 7 here, so this is our 9. No help here. 5, 6, 7. 5 here, so 6, 7. And no help here. 5, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 6, 7. 4 here, so 1, 6, 7. 4 here, so 1, 6, 7. That means the only place the 4 can be in that column is here. We can get rid of this 4 and this 4. And that 9 means we can get rid of this 9. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. No help here. 5, 6, 9. Got a 5 here, so 6, 9, and no help here, 5, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. No help here, 1, 4, 8. Same here, 1, 4, 8. But here we've got 4 and 8, so this is our 1. We can get rid of this 1 and this 1. It's getting a little messy, guys. Let's see how we do. So if we go this column, we're missing 2, 3, 5, 8, and 9. got the 2 and 8 here, so 3, 5, 9. 2, 5, and 8 here, so 3, 9. 3 and 8 here, so 2, 5, 9. 2, 3, and 5 here, so 8, 9. 2, 3, and 8 here, so 5, 9. Now if we look in that column, the only place the 2 can be is here. Looks like the only place the 8 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, 7, and 9. And I don't see any help, so 1, 6, 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, 6, 7, 9. We've got the 5 here, so 1, 6, 7, 9. Same here, 1, 6, 7, 9. For this top row, we're missing 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. We've got the 3 and 5, so 1, 6, 7, 9. Same here, 1, 6, 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. And we've just got the 3, so 1, 2, 6, 7, 9. And for this box, we're missing 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. We've got the 3 here, so 1, 4, 6, 7, 9. And no help here, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. All right, now we just have to dig in. So looking at this row, the only place the 3 can be is here. This column, the only place the 4 can be is here, and that makes this our 8. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. We'll do some cleanup. Get rid of this 7, this 7, this 7, this 7. In this box, the only place the 2 can be is here. In this row, the only place the 5 can be is here. We can get rid of this 5. For this row, nope. Yeah, the only place the 4 can be is here. Sorry for all the silence, guys. For this box, the only place the 1 can be is here. That makes this our 7, 3, 9, 6. And that 3 makes this our 1. That 1 and this 6 makes this our 7. Let's do some cleanup. With that 1 and 7, we can get rid of this 1, this 1, this 7. The only place in this row that a 3 can be is here. And now the only place a 5 can be is here. This 9 makes this our 5. Can get rid of this 5. With that 6 and 7 makes this our 1. We can get rid of this 1, this 1, this 1. And now if we look, the only place the 1 can be in this column is here. That makes this our 6. We can get rid of this 6, this 6, this 6. I think there's a mistake somewhere, guys. And I wouldn't be surprised with how messy this was. So this 6 would make this our 9. Yeah, so then that would mean for this box, this would have to be a 1, but we already have a 1 in that row. All right, that one was really messy. If you saw the original mistake, leave a comment down below. But that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.